How to return an item on eBay. First of all, if you are not already, you need to be signed into your account. eBay needs to know who you are and your purchase history to offer you a return. You will just need a username and password to sign in. Then, if you have not already, you need to find your order. Look for it under My eBay and Purchase History. Your order should be listed under your recent purchases. If it is not, make sure you are signed into the right account and not someone else's in the household. After this, once you have found the item, look for the link that says More Actions over to the right. In the drop down menu, you will find Return this item. Click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a return page. You can also click on the order to bring up a new page. On that page, you can find Return Item in the middle of the page. It should be under Contact Seller. On the form page, you will need to fill in some details about the item. First, you will need to select a reason for the return from the drop-down list, such as changed my mind, does not fit, or wrong item. Then you will need to add details about why you want to return it. Finally, you can add photos of the item to the form if you need to prove a point. Then click request a return when you are done. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.